Hello and welcome to an experience that promises to elevate your sense of wonder to new heights. Have you ever felt the thrill of standing at the edge of a cliff, gazing at towering peaks and expansive valleys, awash in the soft, golden hues of a setting sun? Have you felt that indescribable sense of smileness amid nature's grand spectacle? Prepare to be mesmerized as we embark on an awe-inspiring drone adventure through the towering peaks and valleys, bathed in the warm, golden hues of a radiant sunset. Join us for a breathtaking experience as we soar above the earth, capturing the sheer beauty and serenity of nature from a bird's eye view. Witness the world from a whole new perspective in mountains from above. It's a journey you won't want to miss. As you float above the world, you'll elevate not just your sight but your senses. Feel the ethereal tranquility of misty mountains, hear the silent whispers of ancient forests, and become enveloped in the golden embrace of the fading sun. Each frame is a canvas, each moment a masterpiece in the making. From the craggy, imposing cliffs that touch the sky to the tranquil lakes that mirror heaven itself. From the serpentine rivers that dance with the light to the valleys that cradle life in their lush arms, you'll witness nature's splendor in the most extraordinary light. Bathed in the warm, golden aura of a radiant sunset, you'll come to see the world as you've never seen it before. This is Mountains from Above, a visual hymn to the earth's sublime beauty, and it's a journey you absolutely won't want to miss. And so we begin, high above a range of mountains that have stood as sentinels of time, long before humanity set foot on this earth. Look at the way the golden light of the sun kisses the peaks, transforming them into glowing monuments against the deepening sky. As we descend into this canyon, it's almost as if we're traveling back in time. Each layer of rock tells a story, a chapter in Earth's grand, untold epic. Here, in this hidden crevice of the world, we find a sanctuary untouched by the modern day. Ah, the river, a winding, shimmering ribbon that threads its way through the landscape. In its reflection, we see not just the sky, but also the ever-changing portrait of life itself. Forests, nature's lungs, a symphony of life in every leaf, every bough, a sea of green that breathes life into the world, awash in the warmth of the setting sun. Here, we can almost hear the whispers of ancient trees sharing secrets with the wind. And now, for the crescendo of our journey, the summit. Breaking through the veil of clouds, we're greeted by a sight so awe-inspiring it almost defies belief. Up here, amid the sky and solitude, we're reminded of the sheer scale of nature's grandeur. As the sun sets, casting its final, radiant glow over this stunning landscape, we're left with a sense of wonder, a feeling of unity with the world around us. We've seen the earth as few have, the perfect fusion of land, light, and life. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey through the majestic mountains from above. We hope you've been captivated by the awe-inspiring beauty of these towering peaks and valleys, as seen from the unique perspective of our drone adventure. Nature has a way of taking our breath away, and we're grateful to have shared this incredible experience with you. As we soar above the earth, capturing the serenity and splendor of this golden sunset, we're reminded of the sheer wonder of our planet. Witnessing the world from a bird's eye view offers a profound sense of perspective, reminding us of the importance of preserving the natural beauty that surrounds us. Our journey may be ending, but the sense of awe we've experienced today is everlasting. We hope this extraordinary adventure has left you as inspired as it has us. From the depths of the ocean to the vastness of the desert, from the hustle and bustle of life in the city to the tranquility of a night sky away from it all, we have many more awe-inspiring adventures on the horizon. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any of our future expeditions. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through majestic mountains from above. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, stay curious, and let your spirit soar.